If you're preparing for the SSC CGL 2026 exam, then this is a fast-track revision course pertaining to both Tier 1 and Tier 2. Let me quickly take you through what are the deliverables, what are the availabilities for you. 220 plus live interactive sessions, real-time classes, everything keeping in mind the fast-track revision. Apart from that, 250 plus AI analyzed tests, full-length mocks, previous year questions, everything here with AI analysis. 360-degree comprehensive study kit is going to ensure that the revision is even faster, providing you with summary notes, flashcards, downloadable PDF notes after every session. Right? There will be complete touch base of everything from Tier 1 and Tier 2 perspective, comprehensive, covering all the subjects, quant, reasoning, English, GK, GS, everything under one umbrella. Along with real-time performance tracking where everything will be monitored, the data will be monitored for your constant motivation. You can compare, you can get a leaderboard with your classmates so that you will know where you are standing and how much more ground do you need to cover. And why Oliveboard? I have precisely answered your question. Real-time, data-driven preparation with 10 plus years of expert faculty on board guiding you towards your success. So what are you waiting for? Quickly enroll in the batch right away. Namaskar. Jai Hind.